We have already learned some punctuation marks. We know that punctuation marks help us in clarifying the meaning of a sentence. Now, in English language, there are 26 alphabets from A to Z, and each alphabet can be written in two different ways, the capital letter or the small letter. So this is capital A, this is small a, capital B, small b, and so on. Now, we know that capital letters are used to emphasize or to show importance. So let us learn some important uses of capital letters. Capital letters are used for abbreviations. What are abbreviations? Abbreviations are the short forms. So at times we use short forms because it is easier to use short form instead of writing the entire thing. So this MR dot, it is the short form for Mr. It is used to refer to a male, Mr. So the short form of Mr. is MR and a dot is placed at the end to show that it is a short form. So it starts with a capital letter M. Similarly, MRS dot is a short form for Mrs. and it is used to denote a female who is married. Even this starts with M and this M is capital here. MS dot is the short form for Miss. Miss is used to denote an unmarried female. So Miss, again it starts with M. DR dot is the short form of doctor. So as we can see, it starts with a capital D always. We can never write MR, Mr. with a small m, or Mrs. with a small m, or doctor with a small letter D. We always need to start these abbreviations with capital letters. This is incorrect. So this is Miss Joshi. So Miss Joshi is referring to this girl, and as we can see, M of this abbreviation is capital letter. I am Mrs. Saxena. So as we can see, Mrs. we have used an abbreviation for Mrs. that is a short form and it starts with capital M. She was treated by Dr. Trivedi. So doctor, we have used the short form and it starts with a capital D. Dr. Trivedi. Our neighbor is Mr. Gomes. So, is there anything incorrect in this sentence? What is it? Our neighbor is Mr. Gomes. So, we have used an abbreviation for Mr. over here. And as we can see, it starts with small m. But we know that abbreviations always start with capital letters. So, Mr. Gomes, M will be capital. So, our neighbor is Mr. Gomes. This is the correct way of writing this sentence. He visited the USA last year. Now, once again, in this sentence, USA is a short form for United States of America. So, it is a short form. But as you can see, unlike the previous case like Mr. or Doctor, over here, all the letters are capital. USA, all three letters are capital. But over here, the first letter was capital and the second letter was small. Why is it so? It is so because in USA, the three letters stand for three different words. United States of America. So the three letters stand for three different words. But in Mr. MR dot, it stands for a single word. That is why only the first letter is capital. But over here, there are more than one words. So the first letter of each word is taken and capitalized. United States of America. So USA is the short form and it is written in capital letter to show emphasis or importance. My sister is going to the UK for higher studies. What is incorrect in this sentence? As we can see, UK. UK is the short form for United Kingdom. So, we should write it in capital letters. So, I write U in capital letter. Now, will K be capital or small? United Kingdom, two different words. So, K is the beginning letter of another word. So, even K will be capital. UK. My sister is going to the UK for higher studies. She did her MBA from a reputed institution. So not just the names of countries like USA, UK, even the names of courses like MBA, which is Masters in Business Administration. So once again, it is a short form and it is written using capital letters, MBA. So M stands for Masters, B stands for Business, and A stands for Administration. Since these are three different words, we write the three letters in capitals. Rima completed her MA last year. Now once again, MA is a short form of Masters in Arts. So M should be capital, A should be capital. Rima completed her MA last year. But are abbreviations always written in capital letters? No, there are some abbreviations like IE, EG, etc. which are written using small letters, not capital letters. So you should be very careful. And abbreviations are also used for initials. So instead of writing the full name, at times we use initials for writing abbreviations. So RP Goyal. In this, R is written in capital, P is written in capital. So even the initials are written using capital letters. MP Stan is my uncle. What is incorrect in this sentence? As we can see, MP are the initials of this person, MP Stan. So it should be written in capital. So we have MP Stan is my uncle. M capital, P capital. MP Stan is my uncle. So we have learned that most of the times abbreviations are written using capital letters. If the abbreviation is the short form of a single word, then only the first letter is capital and the remaining letters are small. But if it is the short form of two or more words, then the first letter of all the words are capital, like USA, UK, MBA or MA. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.